Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I gonna show you how to remove password or disable login in Windows 10. Now let's start. Click on Start, go to Setting. At the Find a setting box, you can type password. Select on Change your password and go to Password. Choose Change. Type your current password and next. Okay, new password. You keep it blank. For remove password, not require you log in with password. And confirm password the same, it blank, and password hint the same, blank. And click next and finish. Okay, already now your window not require you to log in password. When you open your PC, it go to Windows and you can use window not require you enter your password. Okay, the second way, you can go to Control Panel, select on View by Category and User and Account. Remove your password account. Click on Account and change the password. Current password, you can type your current password. New password, keep it blank. And hint 2, keep it blank. And change password. It finished. The third way, you can go to Start and type File Explorer and open File Explorer. Right click on this PC and select on Manage. Computer management, you can go to computer management locals and add local user and group. Extract it. Select your user that you want to change password or remove password and right click on it. Choose Set Password. Process. Add this box. You keep it blank for remove password. Not require you to log in with password. And okay, it's finished. First way, second way, and third way is the same for remove password in Windows 10 or other Windows that have this function. Thank you for watching this video.